Hello guys, today unboxing Arvind blazer. Please watch this video full without skip. Let's continue. I unbox this box properly. Wait, I cut this box first. The Flipkart plastic packaging, and this is Arvind blazer, navy blue color. That is good packaging. Like this, very nice. I know about Arvind Clothes Company. When Arvind Clothes is founded, this time is clearly 1931, when we did not get freedom. You can't think Arvind Company is the finest cotton company in the world. So friends, I ended up here like today.